Welcome back to the Accounting Guys YouTube channel. My name is Blake, and today we'll be talking about an accounting tip in Lightspeed to make sure that your margins are properly calculated and accounted for, and making sure that nothing weird is throwing those numbers off when you run your P&L versus any other report out of Lightspeed. Brian will be your trainer today. Hope you enjoy.
Revenue and cost of goods sold. Those are accounts that should not be touched by the back end. It should be very rare that you have adjustments. So when I say back end, I mean journal entries or vendor invoices or memos. I should never have to make an entry to record revenue or sell through the back end. What I would rather do is in Lightspeed under parts, service, sales, or rental, there are options and menus and ways of selling the different items at the dealership in order to show revenue and cost of goods sold. And typically what we have is the dealers will call us and they say, hey, I've recorded this, and now the system just recorded this. What one's right? And what we end up doing is talking to them about their process. And the process is typically wrong on the front end, where they don't know there's a field or there's a setting available for you to be able to put the information in so it will calculate the revenue or the cost for each type of thing that you sell. And so if you find yourself making a journal entry or an invoice to record, for example, a manufacturer to dealer rebate, then you should be able to stop yourself, because if it's a revenue or cost of goods sold account, you should know the system is already recording it for you. And so it should be somewhere on my balance sheet for me to be able to reconcile that item. Once again, let's go to the profit and loss statement really quick. So in Lightspeed, this is the common chart of account setup where if the account code starts with a 4 or a 5, that is revenue. If it starts with a 6, that is cost of goods sold. If you find yourself making an entry to one of those accounts, doing a memo, an invoice, or a journal entry, then you're probably missing a step in the process. And that's when you want to call us and talk to us about what is the correct way to get this into the system, so that way the books will have the numbers up to date every single day, that my front end people and my front end reports will be able to have the correct margins and all of my data will be showing appropriately. And this allows the work to be spread amongst the entire team. And you may still have an entry come into this account as a correcting entry or truing it up, for rounding differences and whatnot. But the bulk of all of the activity that you would see in any of these accounts are coming from journal types through the parts, service, sales, and rental module. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope that this helps. Again, the pro tip, revenue and cost of goods sold should be recorded from the front end of the system. Journal entries, invoices, and memos should not be touching these accounts by themselves.
That brings us to the end of this video. If you have any trainings or videos you'd like to see in the future, those are our favorite videos to make. So go ahead and leave those down below in the comments. If you'd like to get in touch with us or schedule a one-on-one training with a dealership specialist, our contact information is in the description. Thanks for watching.